Hello everyone. Imagine stepping into an international airport. Announcements echo in English. Travelers from many countries use English to ask questions, and every sign is in English. This language has become the bridge that connects people all around the globe. Today, I want to talk about the life-changing importance of learning English, and especially why practicing English speaking daily is the key to mastering it. Learning to speak English is more than memorizing vocabulary or mastering grammar rules. It is a doorway to opportunity, understanding, and personal growth. But above all, becoming a confident English speaker requires one ingredient: daily practice. Let's begin by understanding why English matters so much today. English is not just another subject, it is the global language for business, science, technology, and travel. Over 2 billion people use English regularly. If someone can speak it confidently, doors open to better jobs, world-class education, and international friendships. However, many learners struggle to make real progress after years of studying. What stops them? It's not lack of intelligence or effort. Often, it's the absence of regular speaking practice. Reading, listening, and writing help. But speaking transforms learning into fluent, confident use. Daily speaking practice works like exercise for athletes. Each conversation, even for a few minutes, strengthens memory, pronunciation, and confidence. When learners avoid speaking due to fear or embarrassment, progress slows. But facing challenges head-on, making mistakes, correcting them, and trying again creates true fluency. For example, students who join conversation clubs or use English at home speed up their learning. They start thinking in English, respond quickly, and use new words naturally. Studies show that frequent speaking keeps the brain alert, improves accent, and helps students remember more. Mistakes are part of the journey. When learners speak daily, errors become visible faster, and so do improvements. Teachers can give instant feedback, friends can help correct phrases, and learners themselves notice what works and what needs practice. This feedback loop moves learning from theory to reality. In professional life, daily English speaking makes a dramatic difference. Employers value workers who can communicate ideas with clarity and confidence. Whether in meetings, presentations, or group projects, the ability to express oneself in English sets individuals apart. It fosters teamwork, leadership, and adaptability. Let's not overlook the emotional power of conversation. Language is not just words, it is laughter, support, persuasion, and storytelling. Regular speaking builds social bonds, reduces anxiety, and gives everyone the courage to participate in discussions, defend ideas, and influence decisions. How can one make daily speaking a habit? Start with simple routines. Describe daily plans aloud in English. Narrate your day before bed. Engage in small talk at school, work, or with friends. Join online conversation groups. Practice pronunciation with tongue twisters. Repeat English from movies, podcasts, or songs. Each of these steps can be done alone or with others, and each one brings learners closer to fluency. Over time, speaking English will feel as natural as speaking a mother tongue. To conclude, learning English is a journey that transforms lives, offering global opportunities and deeper connections. However, this journey succeeds only through regular, courageous speaking practice. Every day presents a chance to learn, improve, and grow. By practicing daily, by embracing mistakes and celebrating progress, learners build the confidence and skill needed for real-world success. So, let us commit to daily speaking, not just as a lesson, but as a way of life. Let English become our passport to opportunity and new friendships. Thank you, and let's keep talking every day toward a brighter, more connected future. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this speech inspiring, Please hit the like button and share it with your friends who want to improve their English. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more daily tips and speeches that help you practice and speak English confidently. Also, comment below and tell us what daily speaking practice you will start today. Your journey to fluent English begins with the very next sentence you speak. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video.